I love sitting the beach at night. Option B, beside, I love sitting beside the beach at night. The lamp hangs US. Option D, over, the lamp hangs over US. It's safe the house. Option C, inside, it's safe inside the house. The rain fell them. Option D, upon, the rain fell upon them. The truth lies fear. Option A, beyond, the truth lies beyond fear. The pen rolled the table. Option B, beneath, the pen rolled beneath the table. He smiled the pain. Option C, despite, he smiled despite the pain. He ran the gate. Option A, towards, he ran towards the gate. Flowers bloom spring. Option B, throughout, flowers bloom throughout spring. No noise exams, please. Option D, during, no noise during exams, please. He climbed the balcony. Option C, onto, he climbed onto the balcony. The treasure lies ground. Option B, below, the treasure lies below ground. Finish your homework dinner. Option A, before, finish your homework before dinner. She arrived the meeting started. Option C. After. She arrived after the meeting started. The cabin is dash tall trees. Option D. Amid. The cabin is amid tall trees. The poem was written dash her grandmother. Option A. By. The poem was written by her grandmother. The submarine dove dash the surface. Option C. Below. The submarine dove below the surface. The flight was delayed dash fog. Option B. Due to. The flight was delayed due to fog. She was tired dash her early departure. Option D. Hence. She was tired, hence her early departure. She walked dash the room. Option C. Into. She walked into the room. The plates were laid dash the table. Option B. Upon. The plates were laid upon the table. The ladder is leaning dash the wall. Option A. Against. The ladder is leaning against the wall. Cheese is made dash milk. Option D. From. Cheese is made from milk. Her dress is matching dash her shoes. Option B. With. Her dress is matching with her shoes. She's mad dash her brother. Option D. At. She's mad at her brother. Finish the task dash the deadline. Option C. Prior to. Finish the task prior to the deadline. We are prepared dash the storm. Option A, for, we are prepared for the storm. She was quoted dash the article. Option B, in, she was quoted in the article. The damage resulted dash negligence. Option B, from, the damage resulted from negligence. The guest house is separate dash the main building. Option D, from, the guest house is separate from the main building.